Hi friends, what is that one thing you need to drive a vehicle? Well, the driver's license, isn't it? But does the driver's license equip you with all the skills you need and make you confident while you're driving a vehicle? May not be. The driver's license will only qualify you to certain prerequisites, but doesn't necessarily equip you or make you confident while you're driving the vehicle. So, more than the license, you need the driving skill to be confident, isn't it? So, driving skill is more crucial than your driver's license. And in order for you to be confident, you need to practice this skill to be proficient, isn't it? Similarly, be it in your personal or in your professional life, whether you are a young or a working professional, whether you are a school or a college going student, you need to be skilled from time to time. You need to upskill yourself from time to time in order for you to catch hold of those opportunities, in order for you to advance from one stage to the other, in order for you to better your life, better your career, betterment of your opportunities. The skills are very crucial, my friends. Well, do you want to acquire these skills and become future ready? Do you want to nurture the future ready mindset? Do you want to prepare yourself for the future? If yes, then this course is for you, my friends. Doesn't matter whether you are a school or a college going student, whether you are a young or an experienced working professional. These skills are essential. And what are these skills? These are called as 21st century skills. There are 12 broad sets of skills. They are the work habits. They are the knowledge that you're going to gain through this course. They are the character traits that will help you succeed in your life, in your career, in your profession, in your personal life. It will make you advance from one stage to the other for your betterment of your life. These are the 12 crucial skills which are called as 21st century skills. This course is structured in two segments. One, the foundational level. Two, the advanced or the blueprint level. So the foundational level, you're going to gain a broad spectrum of understanding, a 10,000 foot view or a bird's eye view of these 12 21st century skills. You're going to taste the flavor of it. It's like an icing on the cake. The foundational understanding, the fundamentals of these 21st century skills. Whereas the importance, why do you need these skills? What are those skills? The importance of them. That's all you're going to learn in the foundational level. Now, if you want to take this learning to a next level, to an advanced level, then in the advanced level modules, this is covered in a much detailed, deeper level. It will enhance your learning through a lot of tips and techniques, how to practice these skills at workplace, at personal life, and most importantly, there are very interesting short stories which are relevant to these skills, which will emphasize your learning when it comes to implementing these skills in your life. And also, you will have from time to time the required pre and post assessments. There are some quizzes available after completion of each module, and also there are some practice sessions. There are some practice modules, activities involved. This course consists of all of them, which will equip you with 21st century skills and make you future ready. What are you waiting for? Come on in, join me in this course. Happy learning!